Are y'all ready for Pokemon? Let's go. Let's go. Well, guys, this marks the 20th part of Pokemon LeafGreen. And I gotta say, it's been quite a journey. 20 parts. Only one more challenge awaits us after Moltres. Let us catch the last legendary bird. Pokemon LeafGreen, part 20. Alright, here we go. So, today we're going to be catching my favorite of the legendary birds. And my team for VALOR, his name is Moltres. I do not have Moltres in Pokemon Go, unfortunately, but I will have him in this game. So, previously in our quest, we defeated the final gym leader of the game, Giovanni, Nidoking with Articuno one-handedly. We left, and now Tate saved this location at Mount Ember. So this is it, guys. The long-awaited battle between me and Moltres. Now, we're gonna just test something out here. I already saved, so we're going to put Otia in the front, just to see if we can actually one-shot Moltres, because as we all know, Moltres is about 4 times weak to rock, so we're gonna find out if my Otia can one-shot him. I doubt it, but if it doesn't one-shot him, it'll definitely do a hell lot of damage, so here we go. Gaiua! Alright, this is it, guys. It's all into this. Tate versus Moltres! Alright, here we go. Go, Otia! Alright, here we go. Rock slide that bitch. Damn, that's a lot of damage. Oh, we did it! We one-shotted him! Holy shit! Oh my god! Our Aerodactyl is OP! Oh my god. Wow, we killed him. Okay, well obviously we're gonna have to do that again. Alright guys, so I restarted the game. I just wanted to see if I could do that. That's freaking hilarious. That Aerodactyl can one-shot Moltres like that at level 40. What the fuck? Okay. Alright, so instead of using him, we're going to use Jinx. So, yeah, I think that'd be a smarter decision. So, here we go, guys. Tate versus Moltres. Alright, can we catch the legendary Moltres and complete the trilogy? We'll find out. Go Jinx. Or Zinc, sorry. Alright. Let's use Lovely Kiss. Alright, good, it worked. I'm not sure how much Psychic is gonna do. Let's just test it out. One more Psychic should do it. Alright, let's try it Ultra Ball on her. On him. I mean, here we go. Not work. Kiss. I should probably use, potion. Let's try an Ultra Ball again. Ultra Ball that bitch. I'm not sure how much Ice Punch or Powder Snow would do, and I'm not gonna test it. Alright, go Bara. I don't think Stomp is gonna do too much, so let her stop. Alright, go Jinx. Bar can't be switched out, shit. Scary face. Switch him out now. Alright, go. Jinx. Alright, Lovely Kiss. Alright, cool. Alright, let's try it again. Ultra Ball. Come on, catch Moltres. That didn't work. Alright, we're gonna keep trying. Come on. Ultra Ball. Yeah. I'll be done soon. Don't worry. Moltres, damn it! Come on, let me catch him. So we're catching these legendaries, man. They're just so hard. Hey, come on. Gotta use so many Ultra Bombs. Yes! That's what I'm talking about. Fuck yeah. We have did it, folks. We have caught the final Pokemon, legendary bird in the game, Moltres. Awesomeness. We did it, folks. Awesome. Moltres' data was added to the Pokedex. All three. It is said that the legendary bird of Pokemon of Fire. Every flap of his wings creates a dazzling flare of flame. Forgot to mention that this guy gets killed by Aerodactyl, but you know. Give a nickname to Moltres? No. We did it, guys. We caught Moltres. Yay! So, yeah, I'll probably wonder what I'm going to do next. Well, I really don't know, because I don't think I should fight the Elite Four quite yet. I'm saving that for part 21 as an hour special, but, let's go over here real quick. I can't push it, though. Alright. What's over here? Alright. Let's see what it is. Firestone? Holy shit. Firestone. And when we fall, we light up the world. Dun, dun, dun. I'm sorry. If y'all know me by now, I'm a big fan of Kygo, so, that's funny, Firestone. Like, oh my god. Alright, well, we found a Firestone. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for, but, I can use it on my Vulpix, or, I don't know, maybe I could use it on, my Eevee?
Firestones are useless.
Just kidding. So, what do I do now that I catch Moltres? Do I just go down the mountain now, or I guess? Alright. Okay, I didn't expect to catch Moltres that quickly. I guess I just walk around. Oh shit. Alright. So, here's our team, guys. We got Aerodactyl. I mean, we have plenty of others in the game, but, we're not bringing Tuttle and Barra to the, you know, obviously we're not bringing them to the Elite Four, but I'm going to show you guys my Elite Four team once I'm done with this video, so, we're going to fight this girl now, so, let's put Aerodactyl in the front so we can train him a bit. Come on, fight me. There we go. I've been in training so I can mend my broken heart. Oh, wow, great. So let me guess, you have fighting types? Yeah. I kinda figured. Too bad I have, you know, flying types. You got fucked up. Hitmonchan. Wow, that was easy. Wow. Wow, can you give me something more easy to fight? Like, come on. Like, that was so easy, I can't believe it. Bye. See you later. Okay, I guess I'm going down here now. So now what? Oh. I mean, what do I do now? Do I just explore the mountain? What do I do? Okay. Well, I guess I can leave now. Well, we did it. We caught Moltres. So let's fly back, I guess. Let's go heal our stuff real quick. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you guys who I'm going to bring to the Elite Four. So, let's get rid of Tunnel and this guy. I'm not sure if I should bring Jinx, because even though Jinx is really good, I mean, I think I should, so I'm going to keep Jinx in these four, but... Oh, we're not bringing Gyarados, though. Sorry, Ty, you're not coming with us. Alright, so this is going to be our team for Elite Four, so I'll show you guys. Vulpix, yeah, I don't... I wanna get a Vulpix evolved, I just don't know when. Okay, so we're gonna bring Zapdos, obviously. And we're gonna bring Flexi. And we're gonna bring well, not Hitmonlee. Gyarados? No. Paracaza? Not this guy, honestly. I think we're bringing Gyarados. I don't remember. Duo? Percocet? I don't remember. I forgot who I was bringing. Hitmonlee. I mean, I guess I could bring Gyarados. I mean, Gyarados definitely is one of my strongest, so... I mean, I don't see why I shouldn't bring him. Alright, so I guess we're gonna bring Gyarados, because I don't really see anybody else that I can bring. I thought I had somebody. Duo, Snorlax. I mean, Snorlax is strong, but I don't think he's gonna be super helpful against a lot of those fighting types and all that, so... yeah, it looks like Gyarados is their final member, so I didn't really want to bring him, but I guess I don't really have a choice because some of these guys are good. Okay, this will be our Elite 14, guys. We got Otia, Jinx, Jaiko, Zapdos, Lixie, and Tai. Now, the only one that's not level 40 right now is Otia, but don't worry, I'm going to fix that pretty soon. I'll make Otia level 40. But, yeah, so... that's our final team for the Elite Four. I think it's a pretty good team, because Zapdos cancels out all the Gyaradoses and stuff, and he's a flying type. Otia is a rock flying type. Jinx is an ice psychic type. Jaiko's a poison grass type. He's a ground type, and he's a water flying. It's kind of funny I have 3 flying types on my team at the end. I didn't really intentionally mean to do that, I just really like flying types, you know. But, the flying types are great, they don't get hit by ground. I mean, plus they can do a lot of stuff, so I mean, you know. But it's funny, I don't really consider Gyarados a flying type, though, even though he is a flying type. He can't learn flying type moves. He's mostly a water type. You don't really look at him as a flying type, but, you know. Anyway, so... I guess I don't really know what to do next, so give me a second. Alright, guys, well, I guess I'm fighting this guy early. I did not mean to do that. Alright, bring it on, Neely. Bam! Alright, Gyarados. I don't have Jinx with me. I mean Zapdos. Alright, well. And I guess we'll use... Jaiko. Isn't the best idea, but... Frenzy Plant. That did not kill him. Or did that kill him? Alakazam. Alright. Damn it. Oh, that was a fail. Alright, well, your turn. Your turn, Ty. Ah, bitch. Not to use right. Execute. Alright. This is the time for Jinx. Powder Snow. Damn it. Bye, Execute. Charizard. Alright. I do not have her. Alright. Looks like it's time for Ty again. Alright, have a potion. Barely. You need more practice. Jesus, that was... I wasn't expecting to fight him. If I was more prepared, I would have been able to beat him more easily. We're gonna buy some stuff. Well, give me a sec, guys. Alright, guys, I finally got my Duo to level 30. So that means... level 31. And now we got a Do Trio. Awesome. So that means we can finally play that game in Island 2. Pretty excited to play that. I don't know what the other game is, but we got a Dodrio now. Yay! Dodrio! Nice. Because why not? Pokemon pun. Alright, go. Let's use Dodrio. Fly over here real quick. How does Dodrio fly? We don't know. It's just not to question it. Alright. Alright. Why do I keep flying to the wrong spot? Alright. It's over here. Let's heal Dodrio real quick. Then we'll head over to Island 2. We will play that mini game. Finally. I got a Dodrio now, bitch. You can't say I can't do it. 2 Island, please. Alright. And here we go, guys. We're gonna play the mini game. I cannot wait to see what it is. I really don't know. Oh, wrong door. Alright. Alright, bitch. Let me play it. I'm talking about... I want to play the Dodrio game. Thank you. Dodrio. Would you like to save the game? Yes. Alright, cool. Neato. Please decide which of you will become the group leader. The other players must then choose a... what? Become leader? 2 players needed. Fuck! I knew there was a catch. Damn it. Bitch. I fucking hate you guys. You have the worst arcade ever. Like, do you have any single player games? Really? Whatever, fucking bitch. So, I basically just got a Dodrio for having a Dodrio. Great. Unbelievable. No thanks. Okay, well... shit. Well, now what do I do? I guess we're gonna go explore the cave, and... whatever. Let's go back to Vermilion. Alright, I guess, I don't know. What shall I do? Alright, well, I guess we're gonna go explore the cave, so here we go. Alright, well, let's go fly on over there. Alright, now let's, go on inside to the, Mr. Entorium's, Mr. Vicorium. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. Shit, why did I just do that? Yeah. I don't got time for this shit. I have a fucking championship to win. Alright, so... here we are, guys. The Pokemon League, front gate. We have all 8 badges. We have all 3 legendary birds. But now it's time to put our toes to the test. That's the Boulder badge. Go right ahead. It's just funny how it lets you pass, but then I'm gonna let you go to the end unless you have all of them. It only gets better from here, folks. Alright. Yeah, once you have the Marsh badge, that's when you get all the Pokemon here. Note to self. Booyah! Let's train our Jinx here for a bit. Insta-kill. My Jinx is too OB. Jinx is too OP, I tell ya. Bada boom, bada bing, chaka-laka-laka-ling. Alright, one more. Ice Punch. Level 42, alright. Thank you very much, good sir. Alright. And last but not least, alright, Victory Road. So guys, it's led to this. We have collected all 8 badges. We have journeyed very far with Jaiko, Zinx, Lixie, Tai, Otia, and Zapdos. Well, Zapdos we haven't had very long, but he's gonna help us, so. Can our team and us, after 20 parts, many battles, many missions, many things we've accomplished, but there's only one challenge left. Well, one more if you count Mewtwo, but the final part of the game, the Elite Four. Can we defeat the Elite Four and defeat our rival to become the Pokemon League champion? Well, this and more in the exciting finale, the 1-hour special event, Pokemon LeafGreen Part 21, the Elite Four, coming next week. And I hope you can catch it, because it's going to be epic. I mean, I am going to go all out for this shit. This is going to be insane. This is probably going to be the best video on the channel. Okay, well, I'm going to exaggerate that. It might not be the best, but it's definitely going to be insane. I mean, just really, really fucking insane. Holy shit. Like, it's all edge of this, motherfuckers. It's all edge of this. We have done very much. We have accomplished very much. And I gotta say, it's been a long and perilous journey. But I thank you all for subscribing and going through this journey with me after 20 long parts, catching the legendary birds, going to the islands, defeating the gym leaders. I know I'm having a long speech here, sorry. I probably should save the speech at the end, but I wanted to do this for this part 20. I mean, 20 parts. Think about that for a second. We've gone 20 parts into this. This is my longest running video game series ever done. I mean, I'm just so excited to finally finish this game. We are almost there. I mean, after we beat the Elite Four, all we got left is Mewtwo, and I think there's a couple other things I can do after I beat the Elite Four. But this is it, guys. This is the end of the story. The Elite Four. I think there's islands we can go to after, too. And there's also Pokemon we still have to catch, but that's just side quests. So, this is it, guys. The 1-hour special event. Catch it next week. I hope you all can be there, because this is going to be awesome. Alright? Victory Road in the Elite Four. I'm so hyped. And I hope you're hyped, too. So, this is the Tatumeister signing out. And click that bell for notifications if you haven't. Stay subscribed and stay tuned for the final epic part in this epic saga. Well, there's a couple more parts after it, but this is the actual finale, the main finale. So, can we defeat the Elite Four? Find out next week on Pokemon LeafGreen. Tatumeister signing out. Yeah, I am the best motherfucker around. My name is Tink. I am the best trainer in the fucking world, and I'm gonna beat Elite for next week.